Hey guys, Salome here. Today I'm going to go over how to turtle roll on a longboard. Here's how to go turtle mode. Paddle directly towards the wave so that the wave does not rip the longboard off of your hands. As you get closer to the wave, stop paddling and hold on to the rails. Make sure that the board's nose is slightly pointing downwards so that the wave doesn't flip you back to the beach. Before you come in contact with the wave, take a deep breath and flip the board upside down, making the fin facing up. Keep your elbows bent so that it will be easier for you to absorb the shock. Make sure to flip before the wave covers you, but also don't flip too early or you will not be perpendicular to the wave. Hold the board tight, and when underwater, stay relaxed and free. Don't try to wrap your legs around the board as it increases the resistance of moving against the water. Just hold on to it with your hands. When clear of the wave, flip your board over. Now get on the board as fast as you can. Get back to paddling towards the lineup. Practice the turtle roll without waves at first so that you can get the motion down. Once you get it down, go ahead and go against the waves. The better you get at the turtle roll, the more comfortable you will be against bigger waves, and the more you will be catching waves. Now go ahead and turtle roll your way to the lineup.